All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my lovely people, from the Pepe community. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe right now, and of course, what is yet to come. I know, the Pepe community is frustrated right now, pretty much since the launch of Trump and Millennia Coin, and I totally understand. It has sucked out a lot of liquidity out of, these meme coins, and again, it's part of the game. But yeah, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Pepe right now, and of course what we could be expecting. Looking across the board, if you watch my HBAR and XRP update, I'm sure you guys are kind of up to date as to what's happening, going into Sunday morning. A lot of green across the board, but remember, we're in a weekend. On the weekends, more manipulation than usual. So let's see what really happens going into Sunday morning. But looking at the price of Pepe right now, 1481, down 1.4% in pretty much all three comparatives, whether you're looking at it on USD, Bitcoin, or Ethereum side of things. Valuation around 6.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is sitting at about $500 million. But yeah, before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So holder count right now, despite you're seeing a little bit of a sideways momentum, boring momentum, bearish price action, whatever you want to call it, you're still seeing the holder count increasing day in, day out. There we are. Just look at that. Literally on the 12th of this month, we were sitting at 379,141 holders, guys. So a substantial increase in holders over the past just 1.5 weeks. And that tells you, people still are accumulating Pepe. And, we actually started hearing about ETFs for meme coins. We spoke about this, guys. We have been speaking about ETFs for meme coin filings. And we're actually starting to see a Trump coin got an ETF filing. Dogecoin got an ETF filing. Bonk had an ETF filing. And I think, Pepe, checks all the boxes in my honest opinion. And I think there will come a time where you do see, Pepe getting, ETF filing for a spot one as well. Because it makes sense as far as valuation is concerned. Even if you look at the Bonk one, Bonk has a lower valuation compared to Pepe. 2.2 billion, and Pepe has pretty much 3 times that size. So again, and the narrative, even if you look at it from a narrative standpoint, it's just a game changer, right? So right now, broader market still over the last 7 days, meme coins are bleeding, guys. Meme coins are not thriving right now. Of course, a few new coins that are popping off on the market have been thriving. This Toshi coin has just been going crazy, man. I just have that FOMO feeling, and again, that does not mean I'm telling you guys to go buy it. I'm just saying my personal side of things. I'm feeling FOMO feeling because I actually saw this coin when it was quite cheap, and yeah, I did not get it. But you don't win everything. Let me just tell you, don't win everything. If you think you're going to be winning everything, then again, you might want to be looking at it from a complete different standpoint. But yeah, let's take a closer look and see what's happening with the price right now. So again, going back to what I said, it's the broader market that's down right now still. Pretty much since the launch of these two meme coins have pretty much taken quite a bit of liquidity out of the meme coin market, as well as the market of the altcoins. But yeah, we're gonna see how we go into further, of course, the end of the month, and starting off February. FOMC meeting coming up again. I have been telling you guys to kind of be cautious about that. Kind of keep that in the back head of your mind. And yeah, looking at the dominance index, it has spiked up over the last few hours, while Bitcoin is pretty much sitting at $104,500. As far as Pepe is concerned here, we are still hovering where we have been over the last few days. And right now, guys, Pepe could break below our level that we haven't seen since November. Yes, guys, that's how important this really is here. That's how important Pepe level where it's currently sitting at is. We could actually fall down to the likes of the 1306 for the first time since November of last year. So again, I'm sure no one really wants to see that happening, but I'm going to put it out there again. You guys know your boy Crypto ZX does not just be over bullish for no reason. That's just the case. That's the reality, and that's what I want you guys to be aware of. As of now, you want to be happy at the fact that this key support has played out for us literally 2 different times at the 1443 neckline. And if we drop below that, the level that I shared with you guys could really be a reality. And again, that is, of course, a bearish move towards the downside. Of course, in terms of upwards trend, our targets have not changed. You know, if we're above this key resistance at that 1962 zone, even if we trade above here for 1 or 2 weeks, I don't care. Even a month, who cares? You know, that would just extend its support more. And then of course, you know, the breakout eventually will happen. But right now, where the price of Pepe is currently sitting is at some very critical levels. And as of now, you know, previous all-time high from May is coming in, you know, at a really, really handy time. And again, if we lose the support, you know, I think we could honestly see, even if we obviously don't hold it around the 1302 zone, possibly down to the likes of you know, the 1157 zone. Again, those are some targets to be keeping in mind. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, we're looking at a move of about 16.6% towards the downside. Yes, no one wants to hear it as of now. You know, this support is quite extensive, and it's pretty much showing us around this range. And we're not seeing, you know, bullish move within Pepe right now. Even though we have seen a broader market bounce, you're not seeing even retesting the likes of the 17ish zone, or, you know, that's the next major resistance around this 1700 zone. And I'm not even talking about the likes of, you know, the 1995, you know, key resistance. Even retesting the 1751 zone is having a little bit of a hard time, and that is showing us weakness. And the 24-hour trading volume usually is above $1 billion, and right now sitting at about $500 million. So again, these are factors, and this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis. You guys know your boy Crypto ZX just doesn't come out and, you know, be overly bullish for no reason. And that's not how I am. If indeed the price is looking bullish, why would I not say that? But that's not the case right now. We're sitting at some very critical price levels. Of course, you don't want to see Bitcoin budging. If Bitcoin sees a little bit of a downside and dominance picks up, this could really lose the support and us retesting some November levels, which of course no one wants to see. But again, these are some things that, you know, one need to keep in mind. But again, do my overall trajectory changes for the year of 2025? No, I still think, you know, Pepe is going to thrive, in my opinion. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Of course, time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions on Pepe? Where do you see Pepe going? Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support over the years. I'm going to keep giving you guys these daily updates. If you're enjoying it, continue doing what you're doing. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.